Multiples and factors. In this video, you will learn how to find multiples and factors of numbers. What are multiples? Multiples are nothing but the timetable of a number. Let's see an example. Find the first 6 multiples of 5. What will be the answer? 5 is 1 times 5. 10 is 2 times 5. 15 is 3 times 5. 20 is 4 times 5. 25 is 5 times 5. 30 is 6 times 5. So, the first 6 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. A number x is a multiple of y if x can be evenly divided by y without a remainder. For example, 15 is a multiple of 5 because 15 divided by 5 equals 3 and the remainder is 0. Now, let's move on to factors. What are factors? Factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number without leaving a remainder. To find the factors of a number, you have to list down the factor pairs. To find the factor pairs of a number x, you need to find the pairs of whole numbers that can be multiplied to make x. We can follow the 5-step method to ensure we see all the factors of a number. Let's say you are asked to find all the factors of a number x. Start with y equals 1 and divide the given number x by y. If x is evenly divisible by y, no remainder, then y and the quotient, x divided by y, form a factor pair. If not, discard that pair. Increase y by 1, y equals y plus 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until a factor repeats, indicating that all factor pairs have been found. List all the factor pairs identified. Sounds confusing? No worries, let's see an example. Find all the factors of 36. Let's follow the 5-step procedure. Here, the given number is 36, and let's start with y equals 1. Divide 36 by y, 1. Is 36 divisible by 1? Yes. 1 times 36 equals 36. The factor pair is 1, 36. Increase y to 2. Is 36 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 times 18 equals 36. The factor pair is 2, 18. Increase y to 3. Is 36 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 times 12 equals 36. The factor pair is 3, 12. Increase y to 4. Is 36 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 times 9 equals 36. The factor pair is 4, 9. Increase y to 5. Is 36 divisible by 5? No. 5 is not a factor of 36. Increase y to 6. Is 36 divisible by 6? Yes. 6 times 6 equals 36. The factor pair is 6, 6. Since the factor 6 is repeated, and we can stop here. Now, it's time to write down all the factor pairs. 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, 6. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending order and remove the duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Let's see another example. Find all the factors of 54. Let's follow the 5-step procedure. Here, the given number is 54 and let's start with y equals 1. Divide 54 by y, 1. Is 54 divisible by 1? Yes. 1 times 54 equals 54. The factor pair is 1, 54. Increase y to 2. Is 54 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 times 27 equals 54. The factor pair is 2, 27. Increase y to 3. Is 54 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 times 18 equals 54. The factor pair is 3, 18. Increase y to 4. Is 54 divisible by 4? No. 4 is not a factor of 54. Increase y to 5. Is 54 divisible by 5? No. 5 is not a factor of 54. Increase y to 6. Is 54 divisible by 6? Yes. 6 times 9 equals 54. The factor pair is 6, 9. Increase y to 7. Is 54 divisible by 7? No. 7 is not a factor of 54. Increase y to 8. Is 54 divisible by 8? No. 8 is not a factor of 54. Increase y to 9. Is 54 divisible by 9? Yes. 9 times 6 equals 54. Since the factors 9 and 6 have been found already, and we can stop here. Now, it's time to write down all the factor pairs. 1, 54, 2, 27, 3, 18, 6, 9, 9, 6. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending order and remove the duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. The factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54.